I would have done that. I completed pathology. I would make a book, a new book. I would write the important points, the important points which are genuinely important, not because you know that it's an important point. It would
Okay.
help in the last month only. Hello everyone, it's Dr. Aditya Thanvi. Uh, I did my graduation from Bukovinian State Medical University, Ukraine. Recently, I passed the FMG exam by 208 marks in the first attempt. Right now, I'm in Baroda, Gujarat.
Oh, that's great. Okay. No, I was chatting with a couple of people. They said it's very cold, and because the language issues are also
Yeah.
there, so I mean there are problems in adjusting. So I mean,
Yes.
what I want to ask from you is like, is it like is does it impact studies to that a level? I mean, or we can manage.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. At the first year or second year, it just impacts like there's a totally a new language. How could we communicate with the patient? How could we communicate with the doctors and with the teachers?
Okay.
There are some students who there are some things that we need uh, a well conversation or well communications with it. So in the starting
Mhm.
first or second year, it's look like that only. But after the second or third year, it's 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 normal. It comes to the normalize because we are adapt to
Mhm.
that
We
society. We
we
adapt
we
to that
we
area.
Indians anyway adapt anywhere.
We Indians adapts anywhere. You
Yeah, yeah.
कहीं
Okay.
भी भेज दो sir.
Can be.
And
I like that spirit.
yeah,
Okay.
and after that, yeah, in the third and fourth year, when it comes totally to the clinical part, and every students have a loves in the clinical rather than a non-clinical part. Same goes in India also. So that at that part, yeah, it comes to the normalize when you everything comes to the normalize the weather. The first and the second year is basically adapting the weather because in
Okay.
India the weather is totally around in the positive or in the plus, and while in Ukraine or in the European states it's totally in the minus and the snow,
And the snow. And what about the
the
attendance
fantasy
part?
of
Like,
every.
I mean, you have to go for all the classes. Can you skip any classes? Do they
No,
allow?
no, no. We have to go for all the classes. We have to be attending. It's like 100% attendance, not like in India where we have to 70 or 75%.
Yes, yes, yes. So suppose like class is at 8:30 and suppose you reach at 8:35, what's gonna happen?
In the starting time, in the first or second, is like a totally strict part. The first, you go to 8:35, you got an absent. Now go home, I have a sleep. Come after the first class ends. As soon
Okay.
as you progress in the third year and the fourth and fifth year, it normalizes to 8:35 to 8:45 and 9 o'clock, and
Okay,
the
so it
weather
depends
depends. Like
depends on the
if you go,
teachers and they would get more comfortable with you. The teachers would also be
yeah,
getting.
yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh,
exactly. If you're good, if you had a good communication, if your good group has a good communication with the teachers, the person will allow you up to the
person will.
9 o'clock or 8:45. And the weather also depends. Like it's a heavy snowfall or it's a due to snowfall, there's a traffic jam. There
Mm-hmm.
could be a possibility to be late at that time.
Okay. Okay, so like finally, I mean, what I'm coming at is that how much time do you get to study by yourself? You see, once you have done the university class, you would anyway be tired. Now
Yes, sir.
you are having access to apps, you are having access to PDFs, you are having access to so much of data, Telegram, etc., etc. So, like a average student will be getting how much time? And like, I mean, let's come to Aditya. I mean, Aditya was getting how much time in this third year, fourth year, final year, approximately. I'm asking, where you could do self study.
For me, sir, I started studying on a serious note. I would truly, frankly say, I started studying from the third year, basically. From the first, second, third year, I was like, ठीक है ना, क्या है ये? And it
देखेंगे
was
हाँ हाँ
totally in this format. I was कि ठीक है ना, क्या है ये? After the third year and the fourth year, when it comes to the clinical part, I was totally like, now I have to study. I have because I was gaining interest in the clinical part. And if anyone has an interest in a clinical part or in that certain subject or in anything, he will give time to that thing. He will give time. And for me, it was like 3 to 4 or 5 hours max to max. Increase 1 hour in the weekend time.
Okay.
I like max. I could say on an average 3 to 4 hours.
So, like, what, how, when, at what point of time did you actually start using PrepLadder?
at what time I start using in the fourth year, sir. When
Okay.
it was totally clinical.
Okay. Okay.
Before it was like I was not aware of anything. I was
Mm.
only aware of that there is an exam I have to give MCI, and
Okay.
for as MCI, I have to read all these big, great books. I have to open all these great books, Harsh Mohan or this K.D. Tripathi or this Harrison. I have to open everything and every chapter. After the fourth year, my friends and my colleagues told that there is an app known as a Prep Ladder, and that time, okay, well, okay, it's a relief form for me only, and it's good. It's really,
Okay.
I could probably say it's really helped me a lot. And out of Prep Ladder, Dr. Deepak Marwasa helped me a lot.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
I could probably say that.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. So, like, when you were using the app, any feature that you like better, or any feature that, I mean, which is a must-use feature? Obviously, when you use an app, there are some features which people don't even explore. So, we are not talking about something like which is less commonly used, but like any one feature that you were like, fond of checking out on a regular basis, and you used it again and again. That came to your advantage also. I mean,
The Q Bank only, sir.
okay,
The
okay.
Q, there's only one thing, the Q Bank, which I was used to test myself at this moment of time when I had not studied a single thing or I have not been
Mm.
overviewing this subject, at what time, at what level I am right now.
So the
I
Q
give
Bank
me the
of
Q Bank. And
Prep
after
Ladder.
practicing or after studying some subject, yeah, the Q Bank of the Prep Ladder for every subject or the custom modules. I was aware of the custom module from the starting only, that mild, moderate, severe. Before the studying anything, I would probably give the mild part with the custom modules, while after studying the subject or after practicing some questions from the different platform also I would give the heavy sorry the moderate or a strong part.
Okay.
The Q Bank was for my thing, was the
Mhm.
basic thing, or the focus thing or center of point, I would like to say. While in the case of an end or last 6 months, preparing from the last 6 months, one thing the prep ladder helped me a lot is the rapid revision, because the only question for a student is how to initiate the revision part. If you're
Mm.
completing all the 19 subjects and now you are going to do a second or a third time revision, the only problem for any student is how to initiate a revision by giving
Exactly.
all the if a book contains a 200 or 300 pages, should I read all the 200 or 300 pages, or what's how to start a revision is the question mark for every student. And if you have a good initiative with the revision part and with that initiation, I'm telling that the revision part or the completion of that subject would be much easier, much faster as compared to the one we did in the first part. So
Wow.
the rapid revision helped me a lot, and this rapid
Mm.
revision and a snapshot in the end
Okay.
helped me a lot.
Okay. Okay. So, like, how many times did you do the Q Bank?
How many times I made a schedule, sir, at the night or while starting a day. Well, in the
Mhm.
last 6 months, I made a schedule that starting a day, I should start with the Q Bank. While ending a day, I should end
Mhm.
with the Q Bank, which helps me
Okay.
which will help me to judge myself.
No, that's commendable. I
Okay,
mean,
the whole day I did this.
you were starting with a Q Bank, starting your day with a Q Bank, ending your day with a Q Bank. That requires a lot of dedication. I mean, Aditya, you're making it sound very
Yes,
simple, but I can really appreciate.
no, no, and so it is, and it's none of that. I want to go with the 50 MCQs or 100 MCQs or a 20
Mhm.
MCQ. I'm doing the Q Bank, and it's
Mhm.
my thing. I know where I am strong, when I know where I'm weak. So I will give a Q Bank. If I, for an example, if I'm doing a 50 question Q Bank and I got only 10 right and a 40 wrong, it's my thing. I got 10 now. Then I'm happy with the 10. Focus on the 10. You did a
Okay.
10 thing, but for the 40 part, you have to be like, for the next time you do 40, you should get 20 wrong or a 30 wrong. In the starting, I was like that, not
No, Aditya,
focusing
I'm
on the
really,
wrong.
really happy about the honesty that you showed, because you said that you did 50 questions and out of which you maybe got 10 correct and 40 were wrong. I mean, most people, once they clear the exam, they start boasting, I used to get this much percentage. But you said the
No,
honest
sir. It's
thing.
because, sir, I know where I was in the third or fourth year, and right now I am where I am.
Good, good, good. So that upgrade, because it's, I think for the viewers, that's the most important thing. You first need to check out where are you standing. Like, let me say you're getting 20% first time. Then you need to upgrade slowly, slowly.
Okay.
From 20, you go to 30, 40, 50, 60. And
Yes.
I mean, you can go
You
to,
have to believe in yourself. Ki, yes, I can.
True, true, true. Aditya is saying a very, I would say, a very pertinent point, which I think everybody should realize that nobody can start straight away flying. No, I mean, you need to first learn to crawl before you learn to fly. I mean, I think that would be aptly put on the hard work that is put. So, Aditya, let's move fast forward. Let's say 1 month before the exam. Most guys are a bundle of nerves. In fact, I'll fast forward even further. Let me say 15 days before the exam most guys become clueless. I was talking to a couple of chaps who could not make it this time, and they said, "Sir, like last month, last 15 days, तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था अब क्या करें." मतलब हमेशा मतलब ये लगता है यार ये टॉपिक ना हम लास्ट में पढ़ लेंगे, ये लास्ट में कर लेंगे, लास्ट में कर लेंगे। तो होता क्या है कि मतलब लास्ट में इतना पाइल अप हो जाता है कि हो ही नहीं पाता। So, like, I think you would have also faced a similar kind of a situation. I mean, pressure, like you said, 200 pages नहीं हो सकते, 300 pages नहीं हो सकते. तो आपने मतलब what was Aditya doing like 15 days or I mean it's optional you want to tell for the entire month of 15 days like वो उस pressure वाली situation में pressure cooker situation as I always call it उसमें मतलब आप फिर क्या कैसे आपने react किया उसके लिए?
So basically, I did a Q bank only. I'm telling you,
Okay, okay.
I did a Q bank only.
Mm-hmm.
The Q I told I Q bank is the only thing I could ever do for judging myself in the
Okay.
last day also,
Mm-hmm.
from the starting in the third year also,
Mm-hmm.
because it's like a practicing the thing. Until and
Mm-hmm.
unless you practice, you won't get a confidence, and confidence plays a major role in any of the exam. In the
Mm-hmm.
last month, in the sitting in the screen, sitting in the front of the screen, if you are confident and you don't know nothing also, then also you will do a some good part also. But if you if you know many things, if you are 100% sure 19 to 19 subjects and you are not confident on a cert on this thing also, then only you will get a unstable thing and you will get a pedal up like this. In the last month, I was totally on like revising the things, and by the rapid revision and yeah, the FMG, the solutions books,
Okay.
and the Q Bank. I did a mistake, I would like to say, and it's a really a mistake, and I would look it for the future. Like when I did a subject now, I totally ended it. Like I did a medicine or a pathology. On the next day, I started a new subject. Okay, what should I have done that? I would have done that. I completed pathology. I would make a book, a new book. I would write the important points, the important points which are genuinely important, not because you know that it's an important point. It would
Okay.
help in the last month only, and this helps the people to have in the last month, because in the last month you said that it becomes a pile up like a bunch of a sack, and it won't help you कि ये भी पढ़ लूँ वो भी पढ़ लूँ ये भी आ जाए वो भी आ जाए, ये सब तो आखिरी टाइम पे नहीं हो सकता है.
True.
Then at that time this uh, your work, your hard work while giving a one more day to that subject, if you're giving a pathology or 20 or 15 days, give a to a 16 or 17 days for doing that making a book of that most important the last time readers, which will help you in the last month. You only read that thing ki, okay, I will read this only, and in the last month I won't read a topic. I did the same, sir. I didn't read a new topic in the last, I think so, 15 to 20 days, because I know that I did all the things in the last 6 months. Now it's time to revise only. I don't want to make my brain like a hectic thing.
No, no, good. You had a clear-cut strategy and you executed that. So that's hats off to you, Aditya. I mean, you made sounded very simple, but it was very methodical, very precise, just like a surgeon, I would say, that you had everything clear in your head, right? Right from third year onwards, you decided to go for it. So I am really proud of your achievements, and I wish you the very best for your future endeavors. And I'm very sure you do great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So it's very nice to meet you, sir.